Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Undisputed not launching or stuck on the infinite loading screen on PC.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the game shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA/AMD/Intel driver software. Step 2. Check for updates and install latest drivers. Fix 3. Verify game files. Steam/Epic. Step 1. Open Steam/Epic library. Step 2. Right, click the game properties, verify integrity of game files. Fix 4. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Step 1. Turn off antivirus/firewall. Step 2. Launch the game to see if it loads. Fix 5. Clear game cache. Step 1. Navigate to the game's cache folder, usually in Documents or App Data. Step 2. Delete cache files and restart the game. Fix 6. Reinstall the game. Step 1. Uninstall the game. Step 2. Reinstall it on your PC.